Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by assembling a craft with a probe core, RCS thrusters, and RCS fuel. Attach RCS ports and keep symmetry. This prevents unwanted yaw or roll. Once done, place thrusters slightly offset from the center of mass so they produce torque for rotation as well as translation. Make sure to assign an action group to toggle RCS and to cycle RCS ports if you use multiple sets. You'll want RCS enabled, press R, before attempting any precision maneuver. You now focus on control. Use translation keys for lateral and vertical steps, while SAS handles course attitude. Once aligned, use short main engine pulses with RCS micro adjustments to refine intercept. This conserves fuel and keeps you controllable. Make sure to alternate between reaction wheels and RCS depending on required precision. Wheels save monopropellant but can saturate, so desaturate often. If you need steady rotation, tap roll/yaw/pitch briefly rather than holding keys. You complete the docking by slowing to under 0.5 meters per second within the last 50 meters and matching the target's attitude and translation axes. Once aligned, use only RCS for fine approach and capture. This minimizes translational overcorrection. After docking, disable extra thrusters and switch to stable power usage. If things go wrong and you begin tumbling, stop panicking. Cut main thrust. Apply opposite RCS bursts to kill rotation. Then check for asymmetric placement or shifted center of mass before retrying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.